Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are all doing well and having a wonder-filled day. I want to thank you for coming to my channel and watching my videos. Also for commenting and interacting with me here. Did you subscribe to Kevin in Paradise? Thank you. I also wanted to say that I am grateful that you are here on my channel with me. I feel that we are like a family of some kind and we all enjoy interacting and learning from each other. Once again, thank you very much. I pray that we all grow and always have enough to eat and a roof over our heads. Even enough to give some away. Buckets of blessings. Rivers of peace, joy and kindness.